Wolf 1 Pro Kit, the first step in front-end performance. Please refer to your OEM service manual for disassembly and reassembly procedures. Step-by-step run-through and required tools and specifications to make sure all pieces and parts are properly installed. This installation requires an authorized Harley-Davidson dealership to flash your 2014 and up Road Glide for ACVO switch. Begin installation. Locate the mounting hardware provided with your riser kit. Install 4 solid riser bushings into the Wolf 1 top tree. Locate the 2 half-inch bolts and apply blue Loctite to threads. Assemble the isolated risers to the Wolf 1 top tree. Next, completely remove the 4 pinch bolts on the clamping area of the Wolf 1. Insert a plastic wedge into the pinch gaps of the top tree to ease installation onto the fork legs. Loosen but do not remove the 2 pinch bolts in the back of the Wolf 1 top tree. Install the Wolf 1 top tree onto your bike. Install the pinch bolts to the fork clamps on the triple tree. Torque it to specs. Tighten and torque rear pinch bolts on the billet clamp. Install the T-bar clamp either on the front or rear of the riser legs, depending on your desired gauge location. Install the included 3-inch extension. Next, install the gauge housing with gauges onto the 3-inch extension. Use the gauge extension to connect your gauges to your OEM harness. Install the wiring harness block with the slot facing down. Install the billet top nut cover. Next, install the wiring through your handlebars. Install your handlebars onto the midsection. Run the wiring through the midsection and T-bar clamp. Install the top clamp and torque the bolts in a crisscross pattern to maintain an even gap on the top clamp. Remove the stock fairing and headlight. Refer to your factory service manual for proper installation. Pull all wiring through the fairing support bracket to the front of the nacelle. Zip tie excess wiring to the existing stock harness. Reconnect the battery and test all motorcycle functions before reinstalling fairing and all other stock components. Double-check all fasteners before test ride. Go for a slow, careful test ride. After the test ride, double-check all pieces, parts, and systems. Installation is now complete. Enjoy the ride.